Okay, Algebra 2 students, this is a video for example 2 for section 3.4. We're going to use synthetic division to divide by x minus a. So here we have a polynomial, 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 4, and we're going to divide it by x minus 3. We're going to use synthetic division. Synthetic division is a method used to divide a polynomial by a linear expression in the form x minus a. Note that the leading coefficient of the divisor is 1, and that a is a 0 of the divisor. So it's a special setup. We need to have one x, and then you can have any number here, and we can do synthetic division. This is what it looks like. Notice it's x minus 3, so we're going to have that 3 here in this position. They're going to show it better in a little bit, but because it's x minus 3, that 3 goes here, and then we just take the coefficients. We have 2 and negative 7 and 0 and negative 4. It was 0 because there was no x term, if you recall. There was no x term. Okay, those numbers become important, or the only numbers you need when you do synthetic division is just those coefficients. Okay, we start with 3, 2, negative 7, 0, and negative 4. Bring down the first coefficient and then multiply by the 3 to get 6. Add these two together. Negative 7 plus 6 is negative 1. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3, so they're going to put a negative 3 here. You just keep doing that pattern. So they place the negative 3, and then you add these two together, and you get negative 3. Then you take this, and you multiply it times that. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9, so there's going to be a negative 9 here, and then you're going to add those. So again, the process is bring this down, multiply by this, put it here, add these, take this, multiply it times this, put it here, add these. We get negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. Then you're going to add negative 4 and negative 9 to get negative 13. And it turns out that this last number, the negative 13, would be a remainder if we did long division. If we were to divide this by x minus 3, we then have to come up with the x values. So it's 2x squared minus 1x minus 3 plus the 13 over x minus 3 if you wanted to break it down in factored form. Let's see, what are they showing here? Since the dividend is cubic and the divisor is linear, the quotient is quadratic. Can you use the result to write the dividend in this form? Yep, we can. Probably need more practice with that. Let's see if they give us more practice with synthetic division. Oh, they don't. Well, see if you can set this up in the positions that you need to. And it's the only one they give. So I don't think you've had enough practice. So I'm going to lead you through this one on this next screen here. Okay, the x minus 1. It's always x minus a, so that means it's a positive 1. So positive 1 goes here. And then the coefficients are 3. There's no x squared term, so I put in a 0, negative 5, and 10. Okay? You can click pause anytime to try to figure out the next step before I do it, but here we go. First thing is to bring down this number here, and then multiply it times this. It's kind of boring because it's a 1 each time, so 3 times 1 is 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. And then 10 minus 2 is negative 8. So negative 8 is the remainder. It's also the value that if you were to plug in negative 8 in for x, I'm sorry, if you were to plug in 1 in for x, you get a result of negative 8. Okay, going back. Let's see what we have here. Oh, I messed that up. That's not negative 8, that's positive 8. Good catch. Hope you caught that. This becomes 3, because it's 3 terms, it's 3x squared plus 3x minus 2 with a remainder of 8. I don't know how they want to show that. Let's see how they showed it. They showed it as, yep, the 3x squared plus the 3x minus 2 plus 8 over x minus 1. All right, if teacher can assign you these problems, I think we're on example 2, 19 through 22, 32, 33, and 37. That's it for this video. Have a great day.